Ever find yourself wondering when did we start being afraid of real milk? Low fat, skim, healthy options in shiny packaging. But if milk comes from nature, why are we letting factories refine it? Let's go back to where it all begins, to the cow. At Bithi Farm, we raise native desi cows, not in shades, not on chemical feed, but free grazing on fresh Napier grass and moringa leaves. Their food is clean, their lives calm, and in return they give us something precious, wholesome, nutrient-rich milk. We don't dilute it, we don't skim the fat. Because that's where the goodness lives. Omega-3s, fat-soluble vitamins, natural cholesterol, your body knows what to do with. No palm oil, no milk powders, no tricks. Just pure full-fat milk, exactly as it should be. And we make ghee, paneer or curd. We do it small, in batches by hand, with time, care and old age methods. No preservatives, no whiteners, no shortcuts, just milk, real milk. We process it fresh every single day because good food doesn't wait, and neither do we. Every bottle, every spoon, every bite comes from this land, from Bengal, from a close-knit community of farmers, women and families who have made food with loves for generations. This isn't just dairy, it's trust, it's tradition, it's nourishment, the way it was meant to be. So next time someone says, avoid the fat, just ask, what kind of fat? Because at Bithi Farm, we believe in good fat, in clean food, in honest nourishment, made with care, made with community, made for those who want the whole truth.